Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now the internet has gone agog after Aisha Yesufu was found sitting down during the citing of the new national anthem. So when they also say activists that can tamper with the peace in Nigeria, they are careful. They don't touch them. But Nnamdi Kanu's own, they had to do it because it was already becoming uncontrollable. Do you understand me? He had gone overboard, like bringing down. It was going to an extent where it could cause anarchy according to their own thoughts. They had to go and hold Nnamdi Kanu. But normally activists, they normally avoid activists. So that's how Aisha Yesufu is too. As she said, Bola Tinubu is she calls him illegitimate president. Tinubu is not my president. He's illegitimate. And I cannot support him. One of the days they called her to come and speak somewhere on women inclusiveness in governance. She said, is it under Bola Tinubu's administration? I'm not coming. She had already agreed to come and speak on the event when they now sent her the topic, women inclusiveness in governance. She said, in which governance? In this illegitimate governance? I'm not coming.